All right, this is our 2023 Audi Q4 e-tron. This one's a Premium Plus, rear roll drive, and the color is in Glacier White. Starting things off, we'll take a look at the front. All right. Here's going to be your charge door, your charge ports. Nice. Moving on to the back here, we'll go to the trunk. You also have your charge cord down here. On top of that, you have a little bit more room down here. All right. It's going to be a power trunk as well. Moving on to the rear seats. Nice. This is going to have the all-weather floor mats. You have climate control back here along with 2 USB-Cs. You have your rear cup holders as well. Moving on to the front. Get a look at the sunroof. You also have a wireless phone charger down here. Also a little bit more storage down here. This one also does come with the Sonos sound system.